Grid 76 is a graphic design service based in Llanrug, just outside Carnarvon, North Wales. We provide everything from signage to printed material to motion graphics. We do quite a lot of production work. Well, internet connections in the past have been dreadful, but since the Superfast came in, it's transformed the company. The internet as a tool is invaluable. It's my connection to the outside world. It's my connection to trade, to events, just knowledge, inspiration even when required. Speed is quite essential because in the past it used to tie up one of my machines with just downloading or uploading to clients or suppliers. With large file formats and size, this was time consuming, but these days it's no problem at all. I'm free to use all my machines. They're not tied up with sending things down the line. It's totally freed up that element, allowing me just to carry on with running the business. Changing to fibre optic couldn't be simpler really. We just called the company and it was installed and done within a day. It was quite easy, cost effective as well, not that much more expensive than what it was. Being based in rural North Wales doesn't really matter anymore. It's super fast, as it says, and it just connects us to the rest of the world. Many barriers broken, so yeah, it's great.